All right, so this one is what? Polar, right? Polar. We get the oxygen is much more electronegative than the carbon. So this is polar. This guy is what?
Non-polar.
Well, so I got a hydrogen bond here and a hydrogen bond here, because they can form two hydrogen bonds. Right? So this one is a 2 H bond. And then the last one is the last one? Non-polar. What? CH3, that's a CH3. All right, so we're talking about boiling point, the one that would have the highest boiling point. Let's say, no, the one, so I'm not write them all out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one would have the highest boiling point? 4. Then what would be next?
1.
1, right? Hydrogen bonds. Then
3.
3, right, because that's the polar. Okay? Now we have an issue between 4 and 5. But we should be able to resolve that. Which one would be next? Maybe between 2 and 5.
4.
2, then 5.
2, then 5? 5 then 2.
2, then 5.
2, then 5. Why? Because CH3, same, but this is a little heavier, isn't it? So the London forces will be a little greater in that one, so then it will be 2, and then it will be 5. Okay? So this way, you have to shoot it the other way, shouldn't it? This is greater than that one, okay? All right, then vapor pressure, just quick, vapor pressure. Vapor pressure would be what? The one with the highest vapor pressure would be the what?
The lowest IMF.
So it's the same order, but what?
Backwards.
It's reversed. And the same viscosity would be like boiling point, would be the same order. Surface tension and capillary action would be the same. So vapor pressure is the odd one. So you have something like that. You're going to have to put them in order and then explain why, as we just did. You know, this one has hydrogen bonds, one more hydrogen bond, now it's 4. Okay? Questions about that? The next one looks an awful lot like problem what? 4 on the quiz 2. That was, I'm sorry, that was coming. This one, what was the quiz 1? Quiz 1, which one did we have issues with? Oh, problem number 3 on quiz 1. Where we give you a substance someplace along here, and you have to keep supplying heat, and you have to calculate the amount of heat that would be resolved for the whole process. So the thing to remember is what? Each step is different. Okay, so it's Q for the, these are what Q, MC, delta T. This one is what? This one, I'm sorry. This is Q, delta T. This one is what? This would be heat of fusion times the mass, or if it's moles, mole heat of fusion. This one over here is the patient vaporization times the M. This is the Q equals MC. Delta T for the gas. Down here is the Q is equal to MC. Delta T for the solid. So I'll have to give you these values. It's the fusion, the values of C would be all those values. Okay? So that one. And the next one we said is like the one on the quiz. Quiz 3, we give you some information about a solution. We give you the percent, weight percent, and you have to calculate the density of the solution, and you have to calculate the molarity, the molality, and the mole fraction of the solution. So it's just like the quiz. Okay? And then the last one, we're going to give you information about a non-electrolyte. We're going to tell you how much its solution freezes, and from that information, you're going to be able to calculate the freezing, the Well, the freezing point depression, the molarity, and the molar mass of the unknown substance. So just like the last question on the second quiz. And then we threw another one in, number 5. I asked you to talk about the freezing point, comparing freezing points on a couple of different substances. Freezing points of solutions on a couple of different substances. Okay? Okay? So there's not absolutely, positively, no reason in this world why people should not get 3 and 4 right? Right? Because everyone on the quizzes, for the most part, got those problems right in their own quiz. So hopefully, you guys